Welcome, people. Why we're here is because we want to stop children and adults being starved to death by the Zionist entity, the occupation, the colonialists, and we will not rest, we will not be silent until this stops. So we're here today to make a lot of noise. We're here today because we have a moral clarity about what we're seeing. And what we're seeing is that the worst case scenario of famine is currently playing out in Gaza. The humanitarian system is not failing. It is being deliberately prevented from functioning. Forced starvation is an act of genocide. We all know that. Netanyahu says there is no starvation in Gaza. That's a lie. How do you know when Netanyahu is lying? He opens his mouth. Yeah. The UN says it's starvation. The World Health Organization says it's starvation. The EU says it's starvation. Norway Fund says it's starvation. USAID says it's starvation. All the doctors say it's a genocide. Everyone is lying except the entity of the Zionists, aka Israel, who are committing forced starvation. Stop saying history will judge them. Judge them now. Arrest Netanyahu now. Forced starvation is an act of genocide. It's not famine. It's deliberate, forced mass starvation. As for our government, Corbyn said 2 days ago, Palestinian statehood is not a bargaining chip. It is the inalienable right of the Palestinian people. Our demands on this shameful government remain the same. End all arms sales to Israel. Impose widespread sanctions and stop the genocide now. Let's make some more noise.
You want to sign it using your phone.
Israel has banned every single piece of fishing. Nobody in Gaza can fish, even though they're right beside the sea. And the Israelis have controlled every piece of food going in there. In fact, for about 20 years, they've been selling a very precise statement of how much can come in, 2,329 calories per day. Just shows you the level of apartheid and oppression that people in Gaza have had to live under. And obviously now what's happened, this is a huge, disastrous escalation that 2.3 million people are now at risk of starvation in what is actually quite a fertile place. That takes a real, in my words, evil act. And Netanyahu, I think, certainly probably fulfills quite a bit of that.
Even though we're a million miles away from Gaza, and we'll probably never get a chance to visit Gaza, or meet the people over there, or say thank you to the children who've inspired us, who the war-torn lives that they've lived into the last 2 years. Let's make some noise, Gaza! When I say stop bombing Gaza, you say stop killing children! Stop bombing Gaza!
Stop killing children!
Stop bombing When I say, Gaza, Gaza, don't you cry, you say, we will never let you die.